What's up, guys? Today, we're tackling a problem that's been plaguing humanity since the dawn of time. We're talking about leftover croissants. You spent good money on those flaky, buttery masterpieces. We're about to dive into 4 mind-blowing recipes that will transform those croissants into culinary triumphs. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on another epic culinary adventure. All right, folks, first up, we're hitting you with a classic croissant bread pudding. This recipe is so easy, even I can make it, and trust me, that's saying something. Here's what you're gonna need. 4 croissants, torn into bite-sized pieces, 2 cups of milk, 2 eggs, half a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Now, if you're feeling extra fancy, sprinkle in some cinnamon. I'm feeling extra fancy today. Whisk together the milk, eggs, sugar, vanilla, and salt in a large bowl. Once that's all mixed up, gently fold in those croissant pieces. Make sure they're nice and coated in that eggy goodness. Now pour the whole shebang into a greased baking dish. Pop that bad boy in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes or until it's golden brown and puffy. Let it cool for a bit, then dig in. Next up, we're taking things up a notch with some croissant French toast. This ain't your mama's French toast, people. This is next-level breakfast deliciousness. For this masterpiece, you'll need 2 croissants, sliced in half lengthwise, 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. In a shallow dish, whisk together the eggs, milk, sugar, vanilla, and salt. Dip each croissant half into the mixture, making sure to coat it evenly. Now, heat up a skillet over medium heat with a little butter. Carefully place those soaked croissants in the skillet and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they're golden brown and crispy. Top it off with some powdered sugar, fresh fruit, or a drizzle of syrup. Boom! Breakfast fit for a king. Chapter 3. Croissant Breakfast Sandwich. The breakfast of champions and you. All right, hungry friends. If you're looking for a breakfast sandwich that will rock your world, look no further. The croissant breakfast sandwich is here to save the day. Here's the game plan. Take one of those glorious croissants and slice it in half. Now here's where you can get creative. Cook up your favorite breakfast meats like bacon or sausage, scramble some eggs, fry an egg, or go wild with some cheese. Layer those delicious fillings on the bottom half of the croissant. Don't be shy, pile it high. Then slap on the top half of the croissant and you've got yourself a breakfast sandwich that's ready to conquer the day. Chapter 4. Croissant Pizza. Say goodbye to boring leftovers. Last but not least, we're about to blow your mind with croissant pizza. I know what you're thinking. Croissant pizza? Is that even legal? Trust me, one bite, and you'll be questioning everything you thought you knew about pizza. For this culinary adventure, you'll need 2 croissants split in half lengthwise, half a cup of your favorite pizza sauce, a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and your favorite pizza toppings. Spread that pizza sauce evenly over the croissant halves. Sprinkle on that cheesy goodness. Then go wild with your favorite toppings. Pepperoni, mushrooms, onions. The possibilities are endless. Pop those croissant pizzas in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly, and there you have it. Croissant pizza that will have you saying arrivederci to boring leftovers. Outro, you won't believe what happens next. There you have it, guys. 4 epic recipes that will transform those leftover croissants from, oh no, not again, to oh yeah, bring on the leftovers. I'm talking about flavor explosions, texture triumphs, and taste bud tantalization. Which recipe are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more of my crazy culinary adventures. Peace out.